How to fix picture in picture not working on YouTube. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how to fix picture in picture not working on YouTube. So first thing what you can do is just head over to your settings on your device and come over to your general management option. So just tap on it, and or you can also just search in for the picture in picture option just like this. So just tap on this picture in picture option and scroll down until you see the option called picture in picture. So as you can see, I've located it. I'll just tap on it and make sure to enable this option for YouTube by simply locating this YouTube option over here. And once you do that, now I want you to head over to your YouTube application, and once you're inside here, just tap on this settings gear icon at the top right corner, and from over here just tap on this general option, and there should be option called show in video info cards. If it's not showing for you, in that case also you don't have to worry. You just have to come over to Play Store and just search in for YouTube application just like this. And once you search in for YouTube application, make sure you have updated your application, or you can also reinstall the application from over here, and your issue should be fixed successfully. So that's it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.